Hi everyone, my name is Susita Pucha, and today let's talk about what kids in kindergarten through 12th grade can do in school in order to plan for a career in medicine. Let's talk about elementary school first. So these are kids who are in kindergarten through 5th grade. A great way to get involved in healthcare is to watch our healthcare and medicine videos. We have a lot of great content that's coming out, and we would love if you would take a look at it because it can really help you begin your journey of medicine. You can also read books about healthcare. There are so many different books that you can find in your library so that you can learn more about human anatomy and just get an insight into healthcare. You can also do some really cool science experiments. I have a picture on the right of this hand where you can see the strings when they're pulled, the hand will actually move. So that's a great way to learn about the hands, muscles, joints, and bones. Another thing that you can do as a challenge is learn more about a topic, a disease, or a job of your choice. As you're getting into upper grades, you may find that you have a special interest within medicine, and you can start studying that as early as possible. Now let's talk about middle school. So what can you do in middle school? Well, you can still watch our healthcare and medicine videos. We are posting a lot of upper elementary and middle school level videos so that kids who are higher up in grades can get more informed content. You can also read books about healthcare. The library offers some great books that you can read in order to educate yourself more on different topics. And along this line, you can actually do research about different careers and topics in healthcare. You can get more in depth and become really focused on something that you love. Another great idea would be to shadow doctors virtually. You can not only follow them around, but you can also just learn a little bit more about their jobs. For example, pre-health shadowing offers a lot of opportunities for students to talk and have a Q&A session with different doctors. Another thing that you can do is join or start health clubs at your school. There's so many different ways to do this. You can talk with school administration in order to start a club, or you can join a club by reaching out to people and finding out what opportunities there are. You can also pick out health science related classes for high school. You can pick out classes that will put you on the track to medicine, or you can pick out classes that are majored in science, like biology and chemistry, that you're interested in. And for the middle school challenge section, we encourage you guys to participate in healthcare competitions. There are many national clubs and organizations that allow kids to compete in different healthcare competitions so that you can begin to learn more about different topics and also to show how much you're interested in medicine. And now let's talk about high school. So high schoolers have a lot of opportunities. Generally, they can ask doctors to shadow them, which means following them around, take notes, and just learning a little bit more about the day-to-day careers of different professionals. They can also volunteer in hospitals. This will give them great exposure to how hospitals run, and what kind of people work there, and what the environment is like. Another thing that you can do is join clubs like this one, and you can participate in more healthcare activities. This club, YHE, that we have right now offers opportunities to make videos such as this one, and also to participate in upcoming live meetings. Another thing that you can do is conduct research about a topic of interest. This means that you can study from a wide variety of topics and pick something that you're really interested in. For example, if you're interested in the heart, you can study a certain disease or treatments for that disease. And the challenge here would be to try to get published. This is a really difficult task for a high schooler, but it looks amazing if you're able to do it. Another thing that you can do that would be amazing is you can be an intern in a lab, or you can start your own research. This is really an interesting way that students can get exposure to not only healthcare, but the sciences, and learn about lab work and experimentation and work with different biotechnology. You can also join clubs at your school and compete in different healthcare and medical events. Some well-known clubs would be examples like HOSA and Science Olympiad, which are focused on STEM. Lastly, you can take courses related to science, math, and health. These are the main things that will push you towards STEM careers. But don't let that limit you. There are so many different classes you can take, and you should never let any of this stop you from doing what you love. Overall, the world of healthcare and medicine is extremely exciting. There are so many ways to get involved, And I hope that our club, YHE, will be a part of that journey. Thank you all for listening. I hope you have found some interest in our club, Youth Health Education. Please subscribe and leave comments if you have any questions, and you can find us at this email. Thank you.